magtatapon ako ng basura. Ayan o, rifiuto organico. Pang food garbage. Plastika, baratol, lame. Dito tinatapon ang mga plastic. Yan. Ang karta ay mga papel. So, dapat sinusunod mo yan. Dahil pag hindi mo sinunod yan, magkakaroon ka ng kaaway. So, hindi naman yun ang point ko. Ang point ko, today, ay sasamahan nyo kami because this is, I consider, the vacation within the vacation. And this is my favorite part of the vacation. Hindi ko masuot yun. Ano, help me. Wow. Pabebe. I will tell you where we're going today. And it will only take like an hour to go to our destination today. Correct? More or less. So later, I will reveal to you. Destination reveal. Wow. Let's go, dear subscribers. Bond with us. So alam niyo ba, na dito sa Parma, kahit na maliit lang siyang probinsya, ay meron siyang airport. Anyway, it's really so fortunate na it's so easy to go to another side of the country because of this airport, which is very near our place. But unfortunately, someone told us na sasara na yata itong airport na to. Buti na lang, naabutan ko pa na may airport dito sa Parma. I hope magbago yung isip nila. Please don't close the Parma airport. Please. Are you excited too?
Yeah.
Are you gonna tell me where we're going? Surprise! This is it. Such a cute airport. The latest news about whether they're closing the airport or not. This just in.
It seems that they are trying to find a way to keep it open.
Yay! Tignan mo na. Kakapanawagan ko lang, ha? Pwede ko yan ipanawagan yun sa City Hall ng Parma. Please don't close the Parma airport because it really makes me happy. I just requested and it was granted.
Yeah, and be careful what you say. Be careful.
Matagal pa naman umandar yung pila. Pag-tripan natin si Danilo. Can I see your eyes? Don't scare me. No, I want to know the color of your eyes. Brown? Gray? Ang guwapo. Nagwapuhan. Lalakad kami hanggang doon, papunta sa aeroplano. Yes. We're seated now. It's 6:03 and it will take only about 1 hour. And then, malalaman niyo nga kung saan tayo. Bababa. Okay, Chloe. Papunta tayo sa sun. gutom na. So, this is our first day to explore this place. Pag hindi ako nasagasaan ng bike. We're staying here in Albert Rooms. They're really nice and I like the design. Look how quiet the street is. I just love it. I just love little towns like this. We are near the sea. Okay. Nasaan tayo? Tayo po ay bumiyahe. Sinamahan nyo kami, di ba? Sumakay tayo ng eroplano at sabi ko ay papunta tayo sa south. Bilang kami po ay nakatira sa north, sa Parma. So, saan sa south? We are in the region of Sicily. Naririnig nyo yan sa mga pelikula. And sa region na to, talagang napakadaming mapupuntahang mga beaches, maraming masarap na pagkain, at saka maganda ang sikat ng araw. Even at this season of autumn, you can still rely on the sun once in a while. Hindi peak season ngayon eh. Ang peak season talaga ng pag-beach ng mga tao dito sa Italy ay would start end of May, June, July talamak, and August lalo na. And then September, mangilan-gilan na lang, and October, ito na lang yung mga turista galing sa Germany and from all over Europe. For me, mas gusto ko yung gano'n. Yung non-peak, pero meron pa din mga moments na pwede mong ma-enjoy. Ang sea, ang sun, at ang mountains. Ang ganda, no? Huh? We're looking for the bar. I want to have my second breakfast. Minsan kasi, pag isang cappuccino lang, nabibitin ako. It is glorious. It's beautiful. Oh my God. The sea is really blue. Like the sky. Madali lang talaga akong paligayahin. Dalhin mo lang ako sa tabi ng dagat. It's beautiful. And I can just imagine how busy this is during the peak.
Yeah.
As compared to now. Clearly, it's not the peak. Ang katedrale. Sa paghahanap ko ng bar, pasticceria, Diyos ko! Andito na naman ang partner ko! Remember my sis in Germany? Ito talaga ang aming mga hangouts. Nakikita kami sa dagat. Ang ganda-ganda mo, sis! era na yon. Magaganchilyo na ako. The beach here in San Vito, Locapo. Look, it's not the beach. So, ang daming spaces para makapaglatag kayo ng kanya-kanyang towels. You can just imagine again when it's peak. But now, woohoo! You have the beach all for yourself. I am just so thankful because the sea and me and my soul, we really energize each other. Thank you, Ben. Thank you, Lord, for giving us this opportunity to go to the sea. And thank you, dear subscribers, for traveling with us, for bonding with us. This is just the first part of our Italian vacation within a vacation. And don't forget, always watch, subscribe, comment, and I will always upload exciting and happy videos for all of you. Thank you! Woo! That's sweet! Wow! Lasang dagat, dagat.